Hello, Ashanti. This is Jennifer Bone, one of the librarians at SWIC, and I just wanted to show you a place where you can find a couple of articles about being a forensic psychologist and what they do. Now, you need to go to the library webpage, so you can go up to Student Services on the main swic.edu page, and then go over to Library in the left column. From this page, you'll get taken to the opening page of the library. If you scroll down, I did a search in the EBSCO databases and I found one article that was not full text. So I've attached that and already provided the citation to you for that. I did find another one though in Nexus Uni. I found a couple in here. So all you'd need to type in is forensic psychologist and career. After typing that into the box, just click go. Whoops. We're going to be taken to a product called Nexus Uni. I'll scoot it up just a little bit so you'll see it looks like that, and your search term is located right at the top up here. I'm going to close this little sign in button over here. When it comes up, we have 2,600 items that are found in news stories and news sources. What I like to do is limit it to the United States because you'll see that even the first one is coming from Ireland. So I go down to narrow down the results and I look at the location by publication and I select more, and then we can go to the United States. And then here's an article right here. It comes from 2014. What does a forensic psychologist do? To read it, this is a little summary below of some of the statements that have your words highlighted in it. But when you open it up, here is the article right here. So it kind of really gives an outline. It's not too lengthy, but it's a good start. To send it to yourself with the citation, this is my little cheat. What I do is, so I can have the citation along with the article in my email, I click on Export Citation first. I select MLA. I click on Copy to Clipboard. And what I've done now is I've copied it, and now I just need to paste it. So I'm going to close this box, and I'm going to send it to myself in an email. So I'm going to select the email button. I can put my email address in here, and this is where you would put your email address. And then in this message box, I just do Control V to paste in the citation right here. They're going to send me a full document in PDF file format, and I just hit submit. Sometimes it'll say it's processing the delivery, it's in process, but you can go ahead and close this window and then go back to your search results. So as you look through here, there are going to be other articles that might come up for you. I think number 13 was one. So I can go to the next page. So here are why are students interested in majoring in psychology. You'll see that forensic psychologist is mentioned in this article. Highlights of a career in forensic psychology. This one, if you click on it, it has extra links at the bottom of the page as well. It takes you to some infographics. Those might be kind of fun to look at. I was looking at those. Again, to email it to yourself, just use that little tool right there, and you can export your citation just by copying and pasting it first and then putting it in the message box here. So that's how you can find some articles in Nexus Uni.